So I thought I'd bring you along on a date. But he's at a different store. I'm at a store I like. He's at a store he likes. We're gonna meet up. It's fun. So come along and let's shop at Home Goods together. This is a favorite section of mine. Ooh, do you guys remember the recipe I made with this? Not this exact one, but one like it. Oh, they have all different kinds. So the cucumber salad that I made with the chili sauce, it was a little too spicy, so I'm gonna try this mild. And I'll let you guys know what I think. Home Goods is a great place to get placemats and napkins if they have them. It's kind of a hit and miss with the napkins, but placemats are always so fun. Look at these. I am such a sparkle girl. Look at those. Those are fun. And we need 8 of everything. You can also, they have so many runners here, so another great option. During the holidays, we have these mats in the kitchen. One has like happy holidays, one's green and white, and I love having them. But after the holidays, I don't have them. So I'm gonna pick some up that I think are gonna be so cute. Okay, so it's called an anti-fatigue mat, and look how cute this is. I think it's so cute, very springy. It's like $16, so we're gonna grab it. I think I'm gonna get 2 because I need one for in front of the sink and one for in front of the stove. So we need 2. Oh my gosh, I need this. How much is it? It's on clearance. I see a red tag. Oh my gosh. I got this new mat for my front door, and I've never done the flamingo thing, but I'm in Florida. I feel like I need to do the flamingo thing. So I got this right here. I'm thinking this for the door. We're gonna get it and see what we think. I just found the mother load of wreaths. We're not gonna get that one. We're gonna get a different one. Actually, we're not gonna get a wreath. We have a white wreath on the door right now that I think is gonna go perfect with these flowers. So winning. I forgot about you guys. I got some hand towels for the kitchen. Can you see I have like a theme going? I feel like it goes with my mixer that I just got. I also found a few pots for my front porch. Make sure you come back and see how I decorate with all the things. My Home Good date is over, but now I'm waiting on the curb with all my treasures for Mr. Moss to come pick me up because he's at his date at Academy Sports. So we're on separate dates, but the same date. We're gonna meet for dinner. He's here. He did not leave me. Can you help me put my things in? You are so sweet. He went back and got me my picture. It's so perfect, right?
I don't know what wall it's gonna fit on, but
we'll figure it out.
We'll figure it out.
Aw, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
That's so funny. I mentioned it and you know what?
Your lipstick mama, so.
I thank you. What is the saying? If he can, he will?
No.
If he wants to, he'll do it? Something? If he wanted to, he would. That's what it is. Why are you nervous behind the camera?
I don't know. I'm usually on the other side.